Hello everybody, so I'm BlueGeminiPegasus. No, I'm gonna stop calling myself that name. Naris is gonna laugh at me. Hey, welcome everybody to my stupid live for self-game developing. And it's been a long time I do a self-game developing, and this will be suck because I'm a new game developer. Let's just cut the crap and let's go start this whole thing. So recently, not recently, I had this idea uh for past few weeks to finally start again. Yes, stupid yet funny. Developing my first. She's not my first. It's my 100th failed project. But yes, I'm gonna start quote unquote developing the game that I have been wanting to do. Oh shit! There's a lot of company stuff here. I'm not in company anymore, but yeah, and let's just hop into it by opening the project first. I've already get ready some of the stuff. It's just I need to get into it right now. So firstly, let me introduce a bit. Hey guys, it's BlueGeminiPegasus, and I know I haven't been streaming for any games recently. It's because I have started my internship as a and working intern, okay, in a company, and the company is called Nexus, in Malaysia, of course. And yes, I have learned a lot from them, and I am currently going to use the experience I gained from my uni time and also my time in office to develop a game. And since I have some artists helping me in the background, uh I won't disclose who's my artist yet, but if you know the artist, then you know after you sing the art. I'm not sure if the artist is okay with me showing her art. I mean her public art to you guys. Instead, I'm just gonna show you guys the work art I'm gonna work into the game, which is what the artist imported for me, and start developing this game. This game, yes, I have searched online that if this name is allowed, due to I heard the name was trademarked by New Zealand for the for honey, but I'm not using for honey, I'm using for game. So I think this name is a valid name for me to start on and continue on. Alright, this is not the point actually. Bobo. I'm going to let this thing load and stop talking. So again, thanks for joining, whoever watching in the future, because currently I'm streaming and there's no people watching and I'm low-key shaming myself. I'll wait this project to load, and I'll start briefing. Oh wait, yes, I should open the place that I collaborative work design on with the artists, and give me a second. Totally forgot that. Okay, it's okay. So there's some sketch and art I'll be using for today. I won't be using this set because we're doing a 2D game. So the main part I'll be using is a new sketch that the artist did for me, and we will use this as our protagonist for the game. My aim for today, okay. My aim for today first is finally finish the main menu. I have started to make the main menu with the old Unity UI system. I have no idea. I have no slightly idea how to use UI toolkit from the new Unity system. Like, no idea. Like, seriously, I have no slightly idea how to use the Unity UI system. The UI toolkit, especially the new one. I am not gonna learn in this live stream and apply it because I'm currently building a prototype to send to the artist and one of the main character in the game. Actually not main character, I should say one of the idea giver in the game, to see if this game should continue building on or I should just scrap the idea and redo something else. So to do that, I have to build a prototype, send it to the team, and see whether they are okay, that's a really bad sound effect. To see whether if they are okay with me continuing on with whatever I will do. Alright? So first, I will really want to finish the main menu. Second is get the protagonist animation finish. I have a lot of animation frame over here. I just need to quote unquote, stitch them up and make them into an animation for the game. Alright, thirdly, I think this is gonna take me at least 2 hours to finish this 2 part, which is really slow and really stupid, but I need time to do it because I'm kinda not good doing it. I'm still a noob. Okay, I'm saying NEWB, not NOB. That means I'm still a newbie plus noob, if you would say so. So, thirdly, I guess I either want to finish coding protagonists. I can't even spell protagonist movement, or finish the cutscene at the start of the game. But currently the idea for the prototype is to show a bit of the story. One is show a bit of the story so I can show my partner where does the story I want to be. Secondly, show the fighting system, the movement and fighting system. Movement and fighting system in the game to further ask for more, maybe ask for more and badass animation, but I'm not gonna ask for more actually, because I'm actually really feeling guilty by working my artist out. And let's see. So the thirdly is to show my idea and vision of the game. So this game, is it done? Alright, okay. So this game, the original idea from the artist self, B self, okay, is to be a bullet hell. And I can do a bullet hell, but I wouldn't like it because I personally don't like bullet hell. That game is hell and I'm really bad at it because my skill is bad. So I'm not gonna create anything that's a quote unquote bullet helling. Instead, I'm gonna try to build. When I say try, I'm trying to build RPG. I might trying to build RPG, and more to RPG. I should say action game with RPG element. So there will be a bit level system, a boss fight sequence, and etc. etc. So yeah, since the project is on, let's get into it. We will go to the main menu first. Prototype main menu, I think. And this is kind of the main menu I did. There will be only like demo now and quick. I am thinking to use different kind of audio sound to get like free audio from the internet and use it. But at the same time, I have no idea what should I do with the audio currently. And since the main menu is like a low key finish, but I also have to add a credit scene to credit my artists and to credit people who gave me idea doing this. All right. I will add a credit sooner later. But currently, let's finish the second task first. Get the protagonist and animation finish. So from here, we can use the Figma, where my artist gave it to me. I will gonna export both of these characters, sprite, and do my magic. And it's currently 12:43 p.m. You can see from my bottom right clock. Okay, I haven't had any breakfast or lunch yet. I'm low-key hungry. I'm actually brewing my own coffee right now. Should I drink coffee? No, I shouldn't, because this will get me hyperactive and I cannot focus. Also, let's brew a Milo. I already have hot water ready. I just need to pour in stuff. Anyways, the art exported yet, and it is okay. Let's put in art. Uh, I'll treat this as a model. Sprite UI, 2D and UI, and let's sprite editor this thing. So this currently, it's a sketch. It's not fully color. And actually this is good. Wait, this is the one with the hair gone. Wait, I don't want this one. Actually need the other one, which is the one with the hair intake. For starter. Well, my border is blocking my screen. It's done. Alright, let's do this. This one should be the one with the full hair. Yep. Okay, we can cut this protagonist character, Manuka, into 4 different kind of sprite and create an animation. But due to this thing is not square, when I create the animation, it will become a problem due to, you know, either it's long term and the thing is square and stuff. I'm not gonna explain. I think I'll pretty much show it to you guys later. So firstly, I have to tell this sprite mode to be multiple, apply to it, and let's cut it. Slice as by grid cell. No, not by grid cell. Slice into cell count. For row, I guess. No, for column. I can never ever. Shit. I can never ever know what is row, what is column. Yeah, that's. I have accidentally pressed revert twice. It's really stupid. Great. So now I have 4 idle character. Let's turn this into an animation. I know this script. Since I'm working on this, I wanna use this chance to say thank you to my artists who worked really hard to get all this animation ready, and for me to build this prototype and show it to the artists and our partner who also helped us in the way. So let's do this. Alright, let's do it in asset, art, animation, character. Let's do idle. Okay, so with this, scale it up a bit. Should we scale it? No, we should not scale it up a bit. Let's play and see the animation, if the animation work. Should be kind of easy to make an animation, but yes, it's moving really fast. Alright, it's time for me to edit the animation. How long do I want this little bee creature to idle? So I could make it into like that. Let's do 0246. It's actually gonna be also quite fast, but we can preview it. It's actually still quite fast. Okay, let's do it in the 60 sample. Top frame. Let's put this on 60, 40, 20. Does this make sense? I think this should. I think this makes sense, right? Yes, like gee, wait. I need to add one more in front of here. Add 80 here. Track. Nope. Definitely not. Reverse it. Yeah, I see this animation is actually quite okay. So here, the other animation is ready. Okay, let's rename this thing to our protagonist. Save it. Right, now this one's done. Oh wait, this is without sort. Okay, so I need to rename this as Manuka. Wait, Manuka WS, I mean, without sort animator. This is Manuka without sort animation. Idle animation. Alright. Come on, type. I'm actually really hungry. Wait, just give me 1 minute to make my drink. At this point, we can play and let's double check this. Alright, let's move here. Does it work fine? I don't know. Does it work as intended? I think it worked as what I intended. So yeah, we should go to the next step. Alright, next step. I won't be using this one as our prototype main character. Our prototype main character will be the one with the sword. But I kind of thinking I should get this done first. So let's create another folder. Let's call it without sword. Without the claymore. Actually, I call it claymore. I don't call it sword. Without claymore, move it in. A folder with claymore. Alright, this Manuka is let's rename this as without sword. Alright. I'll save this as a prefab so that I don't need to remake it every time when I need this character. Okay, we did it. We'll play it here. So once I hit play, I should see her moving again. Alright, she's indeed moving. Okay, so now the tricky part is creating the sword character, creating the one with the claymore. Wait, you should not import. Huh. Yes. Alright, I need to ask this for a while. There should be a animation with claymore. Like right, I mean this as you can see over here, the hair is cut off from here, but actually this is replaced by the claymore. And on at one point, the protagonist Manuka is gonna lose her sword, lose her claymore. So we will have one without the claymore blocking and one with the claymore blocking. But I told the artist it's not necessary to do it. She just need to give me this and with the claymore, but she forgot to import the claymore, I think. I need to talk to I need to talk to him for a bit. Him, her. I'm using all kind of pronoun. Alright, I'm gonna use back the artist's preferred pronoun. I'm gonna use B. I'm gonna ask B for a while. Because B self asked me to use B as B pronoun. That's a funny way to say it. Alright, so it's okay. We can work with work it without the claymore first, and then we will slowly add the claymore in for the idle animation. Alright, this smells good. I mean, this hot chocolate smells so good. And I'm gonna force the artist to join the live stream so I can explain to them to the B. Because if B is not looking, I am having a big problem. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay, wait. Suddenly the salt is in. That's weird. Alright, it's okay. I can use it. So we're gonna treat the character itself as and the claymore itself as two different part of the different part of the what's the term again? Oh, game object. We're gonna treat the both of the claymore and the character as two different part of the game object. And let's export this first, and we will put it into the game. Yeah, accidentally done it twice. Oh, should be inside. Alright, model. Okay, we also have to edit this one, cut it into 4. By cutting this into 4, we need to set it to multiple sprite, and I always accidentally click revert or cancel for no freaking reason. So it's okay. We'll slide this into 4. Okay, apply this. Animation with claymore. Okay, let's put it in here. Animation wise. Set art animation character with claymore. No, wait. Like I said, I can use the one with once after. This is actually quite hard. Because I need to hide the sword behind the hand, but I cannot use the sword. I need to clearly show claymore. How's the claymore work again? I don't remember how does the claymore work again. Okay, so the handle is missing. So I can use the original animation, but yes, original animation and add it into it. So I just need to make a duplicate of this. We'll cut it to the claymore. Rename it. Well, on this, we'll add play. Okay, she's moving fine. How long is this? Is this 1 second? I don't know. Is this 1 second? I think this is 1 second, right? Okay, it's okay. I think it's fine. Let's add the sword. Let's add a claymore. Let's add a sword, a claymore, anything. Okay, so we need to cut this into a multiple sprite, but because the claymore is clearly look, I have extra space over here, and I cannot ask Unity to cut the sword for me. Instead, I have to cut it manually if I'm not wrong. So let's try into 2 first. Yes, as you can see, this is a bit bad. I'm gonna try to slice it myself. Let's slice it like that. Down here. is it pixel count? Yes, this pixel is correct. Let's apply this. Revert back to color. No. This. Right, we'll work on the animation next. Wait, okay, so what is the difference between the second claymore and the first claymore? Is it higher? Alright, I'm generally confused. Let's do this. Put it on this frame. Okay, this frame, is it this or this? Should be the 60 frame. Right? Okay, let's try again. Okay. Does this mean I can just move the sword up and down without using both of the claymore? Like, you know, I can just... Let's try this. Oh, I think my artist is here. Hey, so I'm gonna use this chance to... thanks my artist. Since B itself is here. And oh hey, thanks Kescha. I will finish this project. And I was Kescha is like my another friend. My another long-term game development friend. Okay, let me just do this first. Okay, I'm gonna say thank you to B, the artist, create this amazing asset for me to use. And also the other artist who is apparently not online because of study and work for the house, and for whatever you guys are seeing over here is created by B self. It's a bit cringe, but yes. Okay, I'm gonna keep calling my artist B, and so I really appreciate that everything you've done, and now I should continue. All right, I was saying I have no idea what does the second claymore do. So if I do a roughly comparison, so let's move it to position 0 so I can do a comparison. So if I do a roughly comparison, there's no difference. I don't think there's difference, right? Am I tripping? I don't. Is there any difference between these two other than a bit pixel movement? I think I can just use the 0, 1 as my base, and I just move it. Yeah, it's a pixel art. So if I move it dynamical, if I rotate it in a weird way, yeah, it wouldn't work. Okay. Alright, I'll add another sprite renderer. I mean, I will add another sprite into this, but I don't remember how do I do this. Actually, don't remember how do I do this. Wait. So that's a sprite, right? Okay, let me check. How to use to sprite? Wait, how do you use to sprite in an animation Unity? So this, there will be construction under my recording room, so it'll be a bit. The sound will go brrr, brrr, wow. All right, let's. No, I'm not. God's sake. Yeah, I know about this. 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 Yeah, let's just mark all of this complete. All right, let's go. No, impulsive thing. No sprite. No sprite. Creating keyframe. This one. Yep. Nope. I mean, this one's recording. Jumping. Okay, no. It's not what I want. Cannot add another sprite into one animation? Because I remember I can do it, but I just don't remember how I do it last time. Wait, let me ask one of my bestie. Let's see. Hey, you remember how to add to sprite into one animation? Question mark. Can you help me a bit? When I open my WhatsApp, I'm scared that it shows on my second monitor. So, is it showing on my second monitor? Wait, oh, it's not showing on my second monitor. Yes, put like together because the claymore and the character is separate. I mean, I asked to be separate, so it's my own fault. Separate. So there's this character here and this sword. I'm trying to add it into the animation. Due to this animation is at the frame 60. Look, clearly she breathed in, and she's a bit taller because she breathed in. So the sword should be the claymore should be moved up a bit. I mean, let me put out another Manuka idol so that I can show what I mean. I think this one is the one she breathed in? Question mark. Alright, let's duplicate this sword. Put it here. Oh, okay. So the claimer should be the child object. Okay, thank you so much. The claimer should be child object of the character. I have completely forget about it. Nice. So in order for me to create another game object, let's call it the claymore. Alright. Let's rename Manuka without sword into Manuka. Yes, rename file, thank you. Alright. what if the claymore itself has animation? Can I use two animation inside? Alright, let's continue here. So this is the child game object. We will try to add the sprite into this first. Sprite renderer. Alright, and we save this. We'll delete both of these. Alright, we'll go back in, zoom into our little protagonist. And then we will add this sprite into, no, not you Claymore. Add this sprite into this one. Okay, now we're gonna position the sword into her hand. We're just prototyping. Okay, we will add this here, and so now if we play the Manuka animation, so if we play the Manuka animation, Claymore, we should able to add a, yes, this one. Add this property, the sprite renderer, and the sprite into it. Look, okay, so now so shit, okay, wait, give me a second, I need to open the other Figma, check my thing. Figma nuts. So actually I have a in-game development partner, but but I did not ask him to help me to. I did not ask him to help me. I will only ask him occasionally questions. So you might, when I say I asking my bestie, it's actually I also asking my partner via WhatsApp. So yes, is the claymore positioning good or nah? Is it like that, or should I be top a bit? It's okay. So let's cut to the. So let's say we don't move the claymore on the first 20 seconds because the hand did not move. On 60, the sword should move up a bit, right? Okay, so we will copy this. No, we'll press this add key, not you add key here. Then we'll move it top a bit. Does it work like that? No. Okay, wait. And the sprite added, we need to add another property, which is the transform position of it. Okay. So when it's here, we have to move up a bit. Okay, but the issue is this sort will have this sort is gonna slide up. My bestie is still sending me my team, my teammate, my partner that's we do coding is still sending me guide on doing stuff. So I'm like reading it. So I was like stopping and reading, stopping and reading, stopping and reading. I am so sorry that I stop a lot and pause a lot. Okay, let's continue this. So over here, if I just move the position, the sword will actually slide up, if I'm not wrong. So let's record this. We'll move it up here, and we unrecord. Great. Look at the sword. So this is not what I want. Because it's quite weird if the sword just slide up and down. Okay, this is not what I want. Well, the other idea is I can try to eliminate the curve by doing this. Alright, let's zoom in here. We will look at the claymore position. So in animation, everything is worked like a curve, which is not a good idea to create an animation. Which got me wondering if I can eliminate one of the curves so that I can make it, not slide up. Instead, I want it to change the frame instantly, a position instantly, without sliding up. So we need to edit the animation. Change position of object with animation without sliding. I think that's called sliding. With Unity. Normally we will edit the Y. What color is Y again? Oh, Y is green. Okay. Normally we'll edit the Y to make it not curved. Instead, how can I edit the curve? I don't. Is it? Oh wait, here. Flat. No. Here. Select both of these. We'll call it. No. Constant. And we'll go back to constant. So currently the sort shouldn't slide. It's still slide. Okay, oh wait, okay, it's not sliding. The reason is it's not working as intended is because I should have add another. Look, over here should breathe down. So I should have add an original frame to it. Okay, so here it starts sliding. I have to again adjust the curve. It's a green color. Where's the green color gone? Oh yeah, okay, so the green color is here. Negative 0.03. Sound effect. In another game. I thought I already muted that game. Oh, my friend say all the best. Yes, have not been sleep for 18 hours. Cannot. Why? Why will people don't sleep for 18 hours? And same goes to my artist, who also always don't sleep for no reason. I'm not angry at you. I'm not angry at you. I'm just got what's the reason for you guys not sleeping for 18 hours, man? All right, let's continue working on this. I'm not gonna say anything. Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, I'm such a dumbass. So again, I don't want it to slide. I should want it to be constantly at constant. But I want it to be constant. We are here. So on the right tangent, no, both tangents should be constant. But it start from here, I think. But I can also do this. Actually, don't remember. Nope, that's a bad idea. Let's put it here. Okay, great. So let's play again. Is it weird? Because the sword did not shoot anything. At the end, I just only used one of the claymore that you have imported. I'm so sorry that I did not use everything you gave. I really do. I do feel sorry for not using everything that you gave. And let's continue. Alright, so that concludes our character Manuka idol animation. Nextly we should do like a attack animation. Wait. Yes, an attack animation. A walking animation. This is a walking animation where when when the protagonist is walking, there because she's basically dragging the sword. The claymore is overweight and she's thin. She doesn't have the muscle. So she's dragging a sword. The sword will hit on the floor, so it will create some collision fire. Uh, Normally this does not need to include in the sprite editing because I can create the particle effect via the Unity system. I am telling you this quietly because I don't want you to scream at me, and I love whatever you do. Okay, so the thing is, I'm just gonna use this first as my model. Right, again we will change it to um single to multiple with sprite edit. We'll apply it. Okay, so clearly this one is in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 frame. I have no idea if I select it into 7 frame I can use it or not. It seems fine, I guess. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, it's okay. It do. Oh, I have accidentally revert again, and I hate my life for doing this. It's fine. I can use it. Alright. Let's do the walk animation. Oh, without pulling it in. Let's also rename this as Manuka instead of without sword because this one is with sword. In like not the next game, in like when we are in when we are going with her not having a claymore state, and in other animation I will normally just unactivate this claymore and activate this claymore when she have the claymore. So as I mentioned, there is a time that she won't have her claymore with her and walking around the places, and since she doesn't have the claymore with her, I'll just have to unactivate the claymore. And this is one thing I have to check actually. If I unactivate the claymore and I play the animation, the one with claymore of course, okay, so the claymore is completely vanished from this until I reactivate the claymore and it will appear. And this one will work for the idle animation, but since the walking animation is different from the walking animation for having the claymore and without the claymore is different, so we cannot use the same way to do it for that one. And also for attacking, you can't attack without the claymore. All right, nice, great. Oh yes, I forgot. I need to create a walking animation with the claymore. Okay, again we'll go into the animation with claymore. Press on this. We'll add another animation. Let's delete this. We'll rename this as Manuka idle animation. Manuka idle. Because I suddenly realized I don't need those. Let's cut this out here. Delete this, delete. Okay, we highlight Manuka. We create a new animation for her. For B, not her. Let's call it Manuka attack. No, it should be move animation. Alright. So we just have to add all this into here. Then we play. Forgot to activate unactivate the claymore. So we will have to add claymore active set to none. Alright, let's set this to 60 frame. Give me a second, I need to unlock something from here. Is this one? What? This one? Profile? No. I don't need to use profile yet. No, I don't unlock you. Wait, how do I Okay, let's do 7 sample rate first. Then we'll make it to 60. No. 7 sample rate. Let's move the animation here. Second play. It's working fine. I did saw some glitching. I don't know if I saw it wrongly. Did I saw some glitching? Did I saw some glitching in the working animation, or it's just me, or do I need to do anything else for the walking animation? B, if you know, please tell me in our place where we communicate. Wait, is B even listening to me? Are you listening to me, B? I don't think she. I don't think B is listening to me. No, she B. Oh, the glitching was a claymore. Okay, the glitching was a claymore. Yep. Okay, great. So this one should be the walking animation. Is it just like that? No, it's not just like that. We will have more thing to do in the later on, okay? Great, let's create a new clip, which is the attack animation. And we'll go back to our Figma and export the attack animation. So how many frames we have in attack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 frames. Okay, so I really want to ask, is there new attack animation? No one's answering me, but I'm just gonna ask it again. Okay, then. That's what? What? No. I mean, this one is a 7 frame. This one is 7 frame, so I think this is the one then. I think this is the correct one. Let's edit. This thing is making me nuts. Alright, let's spot this. And we will have our attack animation, right? Nice. Okay, why is the background not transparent? Alright, okay, this is bad. Wait. Yeah, the background was transparent. Oh, I accidentally export the whole frame. Ah. So stupid. I'm so freaking stupid. Slice this into 7 frame. Cancel, apply, say. Yeah. Alright, basically this is the attack animation. I know this is a prefab, please just let me work on that. Oh yeah, animation is here, I'm so sorry. Let's just put it outside. Again, let's put it in 7 sample rate first, of course, and then we'll apply it into here. Great, let's play. Is it weird? This will do. This should do. This must do. I have no idea. This should do question mark. I'm just gonna use it. Alright, I'm just gonna consider the animation is done. Now we have three different kind of animator. Alright, let's not make ourselves into an animator hell, okay? We will survive this. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I will survive this. Alright, let's continue. So animation thing parameter. So we need an animation for when it's attacking and when it's moving. And I'm trying to think what I want to do. Do I want to do a trigger? Do I want to do anything? Is trigger? Let's try everything we can do. Okay. First let's try trigger. Attack trigger first. This is not a good idea to do it. Delete it. Let's do it. Boolean. Is Boolean fine? I know that speed making a what do I typo okay speed and trigger is attacking. We will have max transition. No, this one set default. This one delete. Okay, make transition to move animation. We'll move it back to go back to idle. No. Okay, go back to idle here. Idle can also attack immediately. And animation's not. Alright, so this one is basically telling myself that telling myself that telling myself that Manuka itself can attack. Well, it's idle. Manuka herself can move when he's idle, and he can also attack while moving and attack going back to moving after the attacking. But the problem is I will have to force Manuka finish attack first, then back to moving. So the attack will take approximate 1 second, and while she's attacking, she will cannot move or go back to idle. And this one I might need the help of animation event, which I don't really good at. Which I don't really good at. Animation event, I mean. I will have time. I will have hard time dealing with it. Uh, let's do it. Let's do it like this first. I think let's do it. Let's do it like this first, I guess. Let's do it like this first. Let's do it like this first. Let's do it like this first. Let's do. I'm not good with animation even, but I have to try. All right, all right. Since I have to do the animation event, I'm gonna consider this one is finished because all the animation is working. Question mark. Let's do a last time check, shall we? Okay, idle. We will play the idle. Seems fine. Let's go with the attack animation. Attack animation should be the claymore unactive. Let's go back to the move animation, which is okay, I guess. I guess. Right, I'm gonna consider the animation is finished. Okay, so claymore. Alright, this is a OR segment. So I can either choose finish the player movement or finish the cutscene. Um, let's do scripting. I mean, I'm better at scripting. Let's call it movement character. I want this to apply to every kind of character I have in the game, including the monster we will be dealing inside the game, the player itself, and the moving script should be. This moving should be applied to all, like, okay, the movement script should apply to the monster, the character, every character inside the game, including NPC if I want to do NPC in the future and include it in the game, and etc. is like the monster, of course, the monster. All right, since this game don't have any monster yet, we will look out for some monster at the meantime for later, not now. I will script Manuka movement first. Let's do it. Okay, let's also give Manuka a space to walk around. Ba-ba-ba. Let's put this in the model. Hi. We'll call this to Manuka house. Okay, we'll put this. put this here. We'll transfer it to the 0, 0 position and Manuka in it. Okay, now the main camera. Should I put it 3 or 2? Oh, 1, 2. 2 should be fine. Let's put 3. Actually, let's put 3. Alright, let's move Manuka to 0, 0 position. Save it. We will see Manuka moving inside the beehive. I mean, idling inside the beehive first. Wait, why is Manuka glitching out? Oh, okay. Okay, I know why she's glitching out. Yep, because I forgot to add condition. This one is attacking. This one, no, no, no. This one is spitting. Spitting is greater than 0.01. Is attacking. Okay, save this. Go back to game. Let's play. It's working. Alright, let's try. Let's try something. Well, it seems that this worked. At least Manuka animation is working. We'll now do the movement script. Alright, movement script. Okay, so firstly, I am using the new input system. I'm not using the old input system. So I will have to do the input system. Sorry, I will have to do the input system from scratch in order for it to work. Let's do this. This one should be the third part. Okay, let's do the movement. I really hope I can finish this around 3:30 p.m. I mean, at least the second and third task, and then also maybe I will use 30 minutes for the first task, and if I finish, then I can continue other thing else. Alright, so first, I also get ready for my presentation tonight internship. I haven't actually really ready for it. Okay, so let's go to create a new folder, call it input system. I was thinking what to name it because I'm really bad at naming. Then we will do another input system. What's that? Input action here. We'll call it the player input. Okay, since this game is is planning to have a mobile version for easy access and also PC version for demo, but the PC version will for demo first. So then I will first create an action that is for movement. Let's say Manuka input. Keyboard and mouse. Can you use no keyboard mouse? Let's just call it keyboard mouse. That's it. Keyboard. Save. Okay, we call it movement. Should be value and vector 2. No, it's W. I feel like doing work from my office all over again. Because I've been doing this for the past 2 weeks and actually I'm quite happy doing it. But yeah, it's alright. Next, after we have WSD, we will have the attack one, which is let's rename it attacking. No, let's do it attack. And then we will have one that is called. Wait, we only have 2 action currently. 3 animation. Idle, not moving, attacking, and moving with the sword. So no, there's no thing. Okay, let's do attack on left click. Left button. We will also do E button. Oh no, there won't be any jump function in this game because this game is not a platforming game. This one will be a this one will be a 2D top-down wheel game. So let's do it in space too. I think WSD space is a good attacking, right? Right? Space. We'll do it as space. Yeah, I think space is okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to save. Cancel. Save the asset. And done. Okay, great. So now we will generate a C# class. This one is what I always do. I forgot to put global namespace. I should have put global namespace. I'm so dumb. Now it's loading. It's done loading. Apply this. We delete this script. This is messaging. Okay, let's generate C# class. We'll call this Manuka Adventure. Nah, the name says too long. We'll call this, I don't know, honey. Nah, honey is weird. Manuka Honey is also weird because Manuka Honey is actually a honey brand in New Zealand and it's trademarked. Uh, yeah, let's call it Manuki. Dot. Apply. Great. So now we have the movement. We will need an input catching. Okay, so input catcher. This is a file, not a script. I need a script. All right. To avoid error while scripting this, I will have to grab back. I need to close the fan. I'm cold because I'm hungry. All right, I'm back. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna put the input catching thing. All right, we will continue. There is. If I found that, let's see next. Where is the thing I'm looking for? Is this the one? I think this is the one. Yep. This is the one I could for access space. But I also have to do this. So firstly, again, we're only using Unity engine. And secondly, we have to check if it's enabled. And then if it's enabled, we're using Unity engine.input system. So, and if great. Now we just need to namespace this into manuki.input. Got this up here. And we should start coding. So first header, we will have like player input value to show what's in here, because this all of this will be public, and I will be controlling on my right. I'll be checking the inspector from time to time. So again, another vector2, no, should be public boolean attack, and then header will have a movement setting to check if it's analog. Like, are we using the virtual joystick? If this is for phone, of course. Alright, now we can start coding this. So first we need to check input system is in here or not. If it's not in here, then all of this code will have to don't work. Okay, so firstly, we will public void on move. No, on move. Okay, so I cannot use on move due to I will have to align with this one, which is movement on movement to catch the value. So we should call this then this one should be input value. IV. I think IV is good. Nah, let's call it value. Okay, on the bottom there, should also create a function. What happens if the player press? Give me a second. I need to check what's the sound. I think someone sent stuff to my house. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. I was saying my house is under construction. Not my house. Actually, it's not my house. It's the house I'm living in is under construction, and there's someone coming in, moving stuff in from the outside. So I have to go check it out. Alright, let's continue. No, not you. Not you. Okay, I already know how to solve this. I just need to edit the curve. What was I doing? Oh yes, I have to create a function so that this thing will work when I press WASD. It will send it to another function. So we will create a function called public void a movement input, and we will give it a vector2 because it's a vector. Then we will have to call it movement direction, I guess. Let's call it movement direction. Over here, we will have this vector2. We will assign this move to movement direction. And the way we fetch the movement direction is from our input of WXD. So we will have to call this function here. From what I understand, and then we will pass the value what we input. Wait, is it? Oh no, wait. Should be value. Yes, value, and then get the vector2. Get the vector2. Yeah, it's okay. It's like this. And you will pass it in. Then suddenly it has a reload script assembly, so I have to wait it reload. And it's done saving. The movement script is useless right now. Alright, after this, we will need a script for player. This one is a player controller script to control the player. But we will also need a script to control I will need to control every character state. So we will also need another script called the so let me think. Player state doesn't necessarily share the same state as another character in most of the game. I mean, this is how I'm kind of talking out my ideas from my brain. This is normally how I process my flow of thinking while developing a game and coding. So again, I was saying I was saying player character does not require to have same status as. What is that sound? Give me a second. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. All right, I was saying. What was I saying? I keep forgetting what I'm saying. I was saying. I was saying. The way. Fuck it. I can't remember what I said because something out there scared me. I had to go check it out. And all right, let's forget everything. We will reading up. Oh yes, okay. So player status is not necessarily have the same status as as any other character inside the game, including NPC, monsters, and etc. etc. So I should not create a script that's player and monster and any other characters accessible, able to access to this script. So I don't need to extend from the movement script into player. I'm just gonna create another code that's dedicated to player to check the player status. To check the player status. Okay. So wait, give me a second to maximize this one. All right, then do this. All right, again, firstly, surprise, surprise, we have to double check if the package install is installed inside our system. Okay. If it's not installed inside our system, we will not use the Unity engine input system. Great. So if it's installed, then we can use it. That's all. This is what it means. Okay. So we will create a namespace to kind of protect this code solely for player. So namespace Manuki input. I have no idea why I use Manuki. I just think it's cute. I have to mute the WhatsApp group. I'm sorry. Give me a second. All right, done muting. So why am I protecting? Actually, I don't have to do this, but why am I protecting? Okay, the reason is I will have to check if the player is using Android, is using phone, not Android, is using phone to playing this game, or is he using PC? So in order to do that, we will do the first checking first. Of course, a Boolean check. So if enable input system and end of if in this here private input catcher input, let's call it underscore player input. Now let's just call it player input. Do the underscore thing. This is so stupid. So this one will check if I am using the input system. Now if I'm not using the input system, I will just disable if I disable to get this script. Okay. Okay. Secondary. Since this is the private, I will put it under. Now we have to create the player status. Call this player. I will give you a tooltip to call it movement speed of the player. We create a public for called movement speed. Movement speed equal to 0.2f. All right. Okay. Since this is a top-down game, we don't need any other kind of. We kind of don't need any other kind of. We kind of don't need any kind of other stuff. So, we also need rigid body 2D, but without the gravity, of course. We will not jump. Kind of is is only the player move. Okay, yes. Another one. Two tip. This one should be check if the player's attack status not statue. So public boolean is attacking equal to false. Defaultly, we want it to be false because Manuka is basically idling at the start of the phase. I have no idea what else I want to check. Animator, of course, animation I have to check it. But that one is under private and stuff. I'm I don't know why I started to get confused on what am I doing from time to time after I heard the loud bang outside. Alright, we will continue this. It's okay, I'm just gonna ignore what I heard just now. And why is there a freaking sound effect from my other game? I definitely muted the other game. This is seriously weird. Okay, let's continue. Okay, animator. Because Manuka have an animator to control her animation, so I need an animator. Private rigid body 2D. We'll call this body. Private speed. No, we need only private animator private. Okay, we also have to check boolean, which is private boolean. We need to check does it have an animator. So if it doesn't have animator, I wouldn't call the animation. This is to what is it called again? Avoid any kind of error. It's like a safe check. Okay, next. So we also need to check if current device is used, if current device we're using is a mouse and keyboard. So it's using mouse keyboard. Then how do we know it? Okay, first we need to check again. We do this again. Enable input system. And we'll do an if. Great. Not an if, it's an if. Get, and we will return player input. It's now using current control scheme. What I mean this. Oh, watch your joystick. Wait. Okay, so yes, I should use current. Should I use current control scheme? Oh no, wait. Okay, so I forgot to call for player input. Player input is the one is this thing. Is this thing. This thing. I will need a player input, of course, I forgot. So player input current control scheme. We should save it as mouse keyboard. What do we name it actually? Keyboard mouse, not mouse keyboard. Okay, go back to our code. Should call it mouse keyboard. Is my memory that bad? Is it mouse keyboard? It's keyboard mouse. Isn't that current control scheme? Okay, control scheme. Okay, is equal to keyboard mouse, else return false. What? What do I do else? The thing is, I remember I should have code like this, but the second is there's error. I have no idea why is this error here. I already have player input to check if the player input is player input. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this too. Wait, input catcher to be catcher. It should be input, not catcher. I might need to recheck what I did wrong over here. There should be a way to check my control scheme actually. Now let's check the player input script. No, not you, you. A game developing journey is weird. I mean, I clearly remember I do it like this, but at the same time, it's not doing it like this. Uh, Let me double check, guys. Give me a second. I need to get my storage straight. Oh la la. Hmm. So I'm not looking for the no. let's see, Unity new input system. How to check current scheme. Really? Look, it has it here, but it's don't it. For some reason it's not something here, guys. I am so confused. Why? Why is it in here? Alright, I think I just have to I think I just have to delete this batch of code first, because I not delete it, just this one. If I need to get player input control scheme, that's keyboard and mouse, and then I will return it to true. Since I can't get it, I just comment it and we'll move on. We move on from this. I will be back to fix this. Alright, so we should start coding the method. Okay, so on top of here we have finished generating all those player thingy. So nextly, can I use character controller in 2D games? If I can use character controller in 2D games, I would definitely use character controller, because I have I don't need to start a project. Okay, so there is a character controller for 2D. Let's check this out. I don't need to play input first. This is clearly 3D. Wait, do I need to install new package for this? I need to install new package for this. If I need a install new package for this, this would be a big problem. Simple 2D character controller. Wait. I mean, I can just move the rigid body, but I don't really want to do that. I don't really want to do that. So let's check the package manager. let's see. So there's 2D for 7 package included. Yeah, sprite map editor, everything. Let's check for character controller. This is a 3D character animation. No, I don't need this. Controller. I know it's for using Unity 2019. Oh no, this is not official Unity. Alright, nope. See, character controller Unity for 2D. Yes, this is a Bracky's video. Bracky's video always help. La 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 la. I mean, if we have to do it, look, it has a character controller 2D. Hey, but no, this character controller is, I think, if I remember correctly, this character controller is what is he could himself. Right? Okay, let's start with this character controller to understand what is this. The flip, I will need it, but not now. Yes, he's using rigid body 2D, so I can also use rigid body 2D to cut my stuff, right? So but I have no idea why it's using vector 2. I'm really confused. I'm generally I'm really confused because if I'm using rigid body 2D, why do I need to download? I don't remember what did Brackis do in this video. Oh, he was coding the he was coding an input system. So I can just go this, I guess. Then yeah, it's right. I know about rigid body 2D. I don't need to understand anything because I'm stupid. Alright, I'm gonna stop reading this. I'm sorry. It's not the video not helping because I'm trying to clear some confusion. So I am using rigid body 2D. What I understand is, and in order for me to code the character movement, I am supposedly to move my rigid body. Right. God, it's like I'm like a baby doing a new 2D games and I have no idea what am I doing. Okay, I know more about the playable system already. I need to know the rigid body thing, okay? So from what I'm understanding, um, from what I'm understanding is, God, from what I'm understanding is I will need to move my rigid body to control my Manuka movement. And Manuka movement is, I don't know, I just love casual collider. Okay, let's zoom in here. We will move the casual collider to smaller. Bottom a bit more thinner. We wouldn't want her hair to collide, right? Think a bit bigger like that. Too bad collider cannot, you know, rotate on a certain degree to make it. I'm not blaming your drawing, my cute artist. Okay, I still love your drawing. It's just I'm trying to say that Unity doesn't have a really good idea to doing collider. Yes, I know I can use the polygon collider, but I don't want to use it. I don't want to use polygon collider for Manuka. No, it would be really disaster. No, I'm not complaining Manuka's drawing. I'm talking about the polygon collider. It's really, really hard to adjust. Okay, never mind. We forget about that. Okay. There will be no gravity. Again, it's a top-down view. So gravity I just got called disgusted by calling out my artist name and for no reason. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Uh, you guys are distracting. I I don't hate your art. All right, I'm just talking about the collider. It's really really bad in Unity. Okay, I'll also stop complaining about Unity Engine because Unity Engine is helping me a lot. I'm gonna apply all, I'm gonna ignore everything, and I'm gonna continue doing this. Okay, so I was saying, uh, if I'm gonna use rigid body 2D to control the protagonist Manuka's movement, I will have to disable gravity skill because this is a top-down view game. It's not a platforming game. And secondly, I need to figure out a way how to move Manuka. Yes, I actually need to look up character control 2D from Brackeys, I think. I'm just gonna study the code. Oh, how about I do this? How about I do this? Yeah, I can also do this. Fix update. Let's try this. Okay, so combine the knowledge I have with the sample I found in Google, provided by official Unity team, of course. I should use RB body dot move position with the position plus the velocity and the time dot delta fixed time. But the thing is, I low key forgot how do I code character controlling. I need to refer it back to my old script. Where's my old script? Let's see. Spacewalker. Resources. Is it resources? Scripts. Spawn control chase AI. I hate this chase AI script. Item controller player. Yes, this is. I think this is the script. So my lovely artist just uploaded an image. I think she is gonna complain on me. She is not complaining on me. She is drawing. Can I show this drawing? Am I allowed to show this drawing? Am I allowed to? Yeah, I don't think I'm allowed to. She's not replying. Okay, so comparing my old script, my old player movement script, which is still using the old input system. This is actually a general code that I created to make it possible to use in any kind of 2D platforming. But since every game now is using the new 2D, the new player input system, I will have to not use this old script anymore and write a new script for myself. So I'm gonna write it here. And thanks for the love. And I'm gonna write it here, and I have no idea who's that actually. Oh, I actually know who's that. Thanks for love again. What was I saying? Oh, I am allowed to show that. Okay, so my little artist, my cute little artist, just drew something and sent it to our Discord team. Let's copy this link and I'm gonna open it. A bigger Manuka. Alright. I have no comment about that. I don't hate it. I love it. I love your art. I just don't have any comments about it. Okay. Let's let's get back to coding. So first, we will have a way to reference everything. Okay, so since this script is gonna be inside my character controller, I will require the component of rigid body 2D. Yes, type of. How do I use require component again? Okay, so require component. So I really want to know what is the tree overload. Okay, type of type of okay, I'm so stupid. Type of rigid body 2D and then a close bracket. Okay, great. So save, go back up, avoid await is await should be play body is getting component of rigid body 2D, and then animator. No, this one should be try get because because not every character have animator. Not yes, I mean like again to avoid error. Okay, target value unity. Alright, let's see. How do I use try get again? No, not this. Unity try get component. Try get component. I have a really bad memory on scripting, so I will always have to come back and refer to the documentation of Unity. I don't remember where I heard this, but I do remember that component. From time to time, senior game developers you have to go back and search the documentation online on Google. So I don't feel shame about this. I do feel shame a bit, but not a lot, just a bit. No, not all of this. I just need a good component. Okay, fine. Let's just see. Try get component animator. Should be out to animator, right? But is it like this? I don't remember. Is it if it's like this? I need to check my other scripts. Right, BlueGeminiPegasus global. This is the player stat global. In game, you are global. And no, I'm not gonna use all these old codes. Actually, I will delete all the old codes and rewrite all the rewrite a batch of new code for my games. What was I doing? Oh, I remember now. I was going to check for another script. Is it this one? I think this is the one, right? Yes, has animated will equal to this one. So this one will check yeah, this one will check if the animator is inside. Okay, so nextly we'll also require another component input catcher, because without the input catcher thing, now I'm not gonna do a require component. I'm gonna do input equal to get component input catcher. Okay, and yes, another check system enable input system, and if by using this we will have to check the player input, and we will need to get the component of player input. great. So we have the animator and stuff. Great. Okay. And now go into a private void start. Oh no, we don't need start. Private void update. But I will just leave the start there in case I need to add anything. So again, we need to check the animator to keep on updating if there is an animator inside. If there is an animator, then we will have a good chance to grab the animator whenever we want to do something like this. Actually, don't need this, right? No. Just need to out the animator. Try get component out animator. Okay, great. Now let's do this update here. I will always have to do the move function. Movement. No, movement function. I will always have to check the attack function. Okay. From here, we will introduce a method called movement, and we will introduce a method called attack. Okay, should be on top of attack. All right, so now movement. Okay, firstly, we will set a target speed, which is a base speed of the player. We create a float called the target speed, and it will equal to the input of the move. No, wait. This one is to check if if the player decide to sprint. But I'm not doing any sprint system yet, so I don't have to check the target speed. I will need to remember to do this because I will come back and do the sprinting, the right click so you can sprinting. I have no idea what I'm saying, but I'm trying to say. But yes, something like that. Why is coding so taking time? Alright, let's do this. Let's just stop complaining and let's do this. So input dot movement. Is it move? Input catcher, input. Which one is input? Which one is input catcher? Input is the input catcher, play input is the play input. Okay. Input catcher, do I have move? I have move. Input dot move. When input dot move, the vector is equal to vector 20. Okay. I will have to stop my speed. So my movement speed will equal to 0. No, okay, the movement speed is the... Okay, I cannot do this. So I still have to create a float value, which is the movement current movement speed. Because this is the... Because this is the original movement speed. We cannot edit this. We have to keep on come back and refer to this. And no, we will have to still have to create a current movement speed, which is 0 at start. Okay. And then if input dot move is equal to vector 0, so our current movement speed will have to be 0 too. Am I making sense right now? I think I'm making sense right now, right? I don't think I'm making sense to myself at all actually. So we will also have to check our analog movement. Okay, I'm not gonna do an analog movement thing first because analog movement is for phone. I'm referring to my old code, guys. I do for my company. What was I doing again? Okay, I was coding the speed thing. Oh yes, I have to create another float, which is the one that controlling the player thing. Alright, so current movement speed will equal to 0, and then I will reassign speed will equal to current movement speed to 0, which speed is 0. I am trying to think. Let's code the wait. Okay, speed is equal to this. So then body dot move position will have to be body dot position plus my speed times time dot fix the other time. Okay, there's nothing that yes, I know. There's nothing that I'm not controlling my velocity yet. So this is not a good way to code this. Where's my old code? Wait, I need to remember what did I do in my other platforming game. No, this is work stuff. Script. I need to smooth them. I'll do the flip later. There's a bot inside my freaking stream. Let me just report it. Alright. Then we will hide user on this channel. And done. Oh wait, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was coding the I keep on okay, wait. Alright, this got me wondering. Let's say if Manuka is at if Manuka is at position of -1. Not you, sorry. I have wait one. No. This one? Okay. So what will happen to the animation? She will still breathe normally. No, I'm just wondering why is she gone when she attacked. Yes, where is she gone? Okay, she's still breathing. Oh, forgot I need to fix a lot of stuff. Alright, so this is exactly the problem I'm talking about. So look at this. Either when you change to move, Manuka is suddenly at the front of there. Supposedly she should stay at the middle and start moving. So okay. I didn't think it's a problem because I don't remember this problem at all. Okay, so this will also affect the attack animation if I'm not wrong. Yep, she's suddenly on top of there. Okay. I can actually make my life easier by asking my artist to do something. I'm gonna ask my artist to draw this in the middle. Like create a square thing for the artist so that B could fix the character in the middle. Whatever the character do, walking, walking. No matter the character is walking or the character is swinging the sword, because I can actually do this myself. I'm just lazy to do it myself. You understand that? I don't think you understand that. Because this is actually a bit problematic. B, I need you on this. There's a stream delay, so it's already 3:15, and and this section should be only 3 hours. Keep the camera size when you export. Hey hey. this is what happens when you have your artist looking at a live stream. It will be much more easier to communicate. Alright, I guess I have to speed up because it's almost 5 a.m. There's like, what? 12 more, 14, 12, 13 more minutes until 3 hours, okay? And I'm limit myself to work for 3 hours only today. So yes, let's get the movement script done. Okay, so clearly there's another thing that's calling this movement script, right? Horizontal move and jump. Okay, I'm passing horizontal move into the movement script. And then, because my old movement script doesn't have any value that pass it in, so I have to create another value that I have to pass in. So let's call it float input, because when player input, the input will pass it in, right? Let's call it input catching. Okay. Alright, so the input catching, we also can call it float move actually. Let's call it float move. Okay. So let's delete off this. And the movement, I will have to fetch from the input catcher to get this public move. So in this function, I will have to put in play input. Is it play input? No, it's actually input dot move. Right. Is it not input? Oh, it's vector 2. Oh shit, it's vector 2. Ah, damn it. Damn it. Okay, let's do it vector 2 way then. Vector 2 move. Okay, good. So now the way I move it and the pass is using the horizontal move count. What is the horizontal move count again? On the update there, input assist.get raw to detect the left and right thing. And because currently I'm using WASD, which my player can walk WASD to walk up, down, left, right. Again, this is for platforming. This is not valid for 2D top-down view. I know. So I have to rescript the whole thing. I cannot use this anymore. I will have to look for WASD movement in other tutorials. So WASD movement, Unity 2D. Because W doesn't mean jump now anymore. Yes, also that. Let's see. Okay, this is the old way. I don't really want to use the old way. Do I want to use the old way? I don't really want to use the old way. Right. Shit. I don't feel like I can finish this on like 10 minutes, because this is like new research and development thing. Hey. Okay, so vector 2. No, vector 2. Vector 2 equal to target velocity, target speed equal to new vector 2 with move times with the movement speed, and comma y. Oh yeah, body dot y. Vector 2 target speed equal to move times movement speed. I know I cannot do this, but oh wait, oh wait, again this is fetching. Shit. WASD movement Unity 2D with new player input. I'm not going to use get horizontal. There's so many freaking bots in my freaking live stream. Why is this happening? What's wrong? I'm just trying to do my game development, man. Alright, I'm gonna focus on this. What was I doing? I don't need the old input, I need a new input. Binding control new input system. Yes, this is the old input, jump function, jump function, jump function, jump function. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Fire, how it look like. Okay. Humble is having a bundle for Unity. Wait, sorry. I was supposed to make this joke. Humble is humbling to having a bundle for Unity bundle? Bye. The need to know action map. Change binding. Digital normalize. 1111. Modify on trigger. Boolean. No, not you. Okay, this is not making my life easier. Alright, let's do this. Without audio. What was I doing? I was reading this. Yes, I already know this. Don't need act sprite. No, why? Sorry. Oh shit. Okay, there's a big mistake in the animation when I start talking to my little artist over here. I will have to fix the animation later. But this is not the point. I have 4 more minutes. I really want to get this movement animation done. Okay. rb.move anime pose position plus move input times move speed. Okay. I think this is the code. So let's do this. Firstly, we have a body dot move position with the body dot position plus what's the move input again? Okay, plus move, and then times with our movement speed and time dot delta time fixed at the time. So with this code, I should be able to move now. Okay, let's try this. I hope I can able to move. We'll bring back Manuka house. Then we will put this into -5 layer so it won't cover Manuka. Okay, great. Let's move Manuka. Let's try to move Manuka now. I don't know if I'm making sense. Oh wait, I'm so stupid. Player input. Input action set should be this one. Default scheme should be keyboard and mouse. Player input catcher. And then the player controller. Alright, we will have to override all of this and apply all, and we will play. So, what? 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 Wait. Okay, let me do something. Let me try this. I have to know if WSD is moving or not. Okay, so WSD is moving. Play and play. Okay, so there's a little bit issue here where it cannot get the player input. Can I get a player input? Do I forgot to use anything? I have used Unity Engine input. I did use Unity Engine input system, did I? Oh wait, the input system is supposed to be away. What? Yeah, this player input should be the one. No, this player input is not that player input. No, not this, not this. This one should be input system. Really? No? Is it not? Okay, I need to change this thing again. What I'm missing? Is it in? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what am I doing right now. Shit. Where is the player's? Where's the? Where's the player input again? I'm confused. Isn't wait? Yes, this player input should be the player input that inside the C# class. Right? This player input should be that player input inside the C# class. Or do I want this player input to be this player input? I'm generally confused. What am I doing? Okay, so there is an error. There's an error on the cons. Okay, let me try again. Okay, so get component required if request component play input drives from mono behavior or component uh or is an interface. Okay, so he's clearly trying to get this player input when I want him to get this player input. So okay, in order for me to not confuse not confuse my own code, because clearly my code is now confusing itself. By me being dumb, by the way, I'm dumb. I think I can fix this. I think I can fix this? Question mark. I hope I can fix this. Let's apply this, apply it again. We call it Manuka input.system so that it won't mash it up, you know. Also we shouldn't call it play input. I need to close my old code. Wait. Let me retry this. Okay, let's press apply. Once the movement is done, my third task is also done. It just left the attack and also finish the credit menu. The credit menu is gonna take me like 20 minutes to do it, so I'm not gonna do it on screen. I'm gonna do it off screen. It's already 3 hours and 4 minutes, guys. I need to rest too. I haven't eaten my breakfast and lunch, and it's 3:35. Yes. Can I see this? Let's do this. Let's go here. Let's rename this to input player. Actually, what is this called again? Input action. Okay, player input action map. Okay, we generate a C# class. We will call it player input action. Okay, let's call it player input action C#. Great. Too long. Just use the normal one. Okay, let's apply. Okay, we'll save this. We'll go back to the script. Why do you guys don't like to sleep? Not gonna drag this for 3 hours 30 minutes. Microsoft Visual Studio is not responding. And I'm hungry. I haven't even do this animation yet. I forgot. Let's pretend this animation is not here yet because we currently need to fix the animation. Let's fix the movement control first. Alright, here you go. Okay, display input. Delete this at play input first. Okay, let's do this again. Play input is equal to get component of player input. Okay, so this player input is display input. Great. So let's save this. Let's close this. Then okay, though, right? This is what I want. Great. So by now the movement should be no problem at all. Should be no problem. And voila! Now I can move. It's because I haven't scripted the attack yet. Okay, so now I can move around. Yes, I know. Thus, I have I'm not finished coding. I mean, I think I've done 50% of it because the movement is working, but it's not flipping. I still need the flipping component. Attacking. Animation. That's all. That's three. That's three of it. Okay, I'm gonna save. I'm gonna do this to my own stand up. Not gonna save in this Nexus soft because I'm not got Nexus soft anymore. To log out my Nexus account now. No, I'm not gonna share my file. Save. We will do this and we're gonna sign out my Nexus soft account. Sign out. Back to my own account. Great. So let's close this. Let's clear this. And yeah, I think that's all I can show today. I did not complete my task in under 3 hours, certainly. I guess I have to do it off stream after I eat. No, I cannot do it off stream. So the reason that I cannot do it off stream is Manuka Honey Adventure is supposed to be a 12-hour challenge project. Like, you know, I need to finish the whole prototype under 12 hours. So if I do it off stream, that means I'm not playing by my own rules. So I'll be continue this on tomorrow. Same time, I guess, to continue doing Manuka Honey Adventure. So at the meantime, off stream, I will try not to touch Manuka Honey Adventure with Unity engine. But I still can fix the sprite out and those, right? Because those are not my part. And I have to communicate with my artist B for that part. And yeah, that's all for today. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm really hungry and tired. Bye.